My brothers and sisters, I apologize if this video takes a long time, but if you listen to this video carefully, you will benefit a lot.
Today, we gather to discuss the importance of fortifying our faith. Islam is a beautiful religion that guides us through every aspect of life. But just as a building needs a strong foundation to withstand the elements, our faith needs consistent care to remain firm. The Quran, and the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, provide us with a treasure trove of practices to cultivate a deep and meaningful connection with Islam. Let's explore some of these practices through inspiring stories and verses. First is the nourishment of knowledge. Our faith blossoms with knowledge. The Quran says, "Are those who know equal to those who do not know?" Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasized seeking knowledge throughout life, saying, "Seek knowledge from the cradle to the grave." Story of a scholar and a farmer. Imam Malik, a renowned Islamic scholar, once met a farmer struggling with a ritual ablution. Imam Malik patiently guided the farmer, demonstrating the importance of knowledge for everyday practice. Second is the sweetness of prayer. Salah, prayer, is the cornerstone of our faith, a direct connection with Allah. The Quran reminds us, establish prayer, for prayer restrains, 1, from immorality and wrongdoing. Story of the pious woman, Aisha, the wife of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, narrated the story of a woman who would consistently come to pray at night, even when her child was young. This dedication exemplifies the importance of prayer in a busy life. Third is the power of reading Quran. The Quran is a source of guidance, comfort, and wisdom. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The best of you are those who learn the Quran and teach it to others." Story of the companion who recited beautifully. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, praised the recitation of one companion, saying his voice was beautifying the Quran. This highlights the importance of recitation with care and understanding. Fourth is the strength of community. Islam emphasizes the importance of brotherhood and sisterhood in faith. The Quran says, "The believers are but brothers and sisters, so make reconciliation between your brothers." Story of the Prophet's Masjid. The Prophet himself actively participated in building the first masjid in Medina, demonstrating the power of collective action. Fifth is the importance of charity. Giving to those in need is a core Islamic principle. The Quran says, "And those who give wealth in charity, men and women, and lend Allah a beautiful loan, will be abundantly repaid and will have a noble reward." Story of the compassionate Caliph, Umar bin Abdulaziz, a righteous caliph, was known for his immense generosity towards the poor and downtrodden. Remember, these are just a few starting points. There are many other practices that can strengthen your faith, such as fasting, making supplication, dua, and reflecting on the signs of Allah in creation. Here are some additional tips. Find a good teacher or mentor. Having a knowledgeable guide can answer your questions and deepen your understanding. Set realistic goals, don't overwhelm yourself. Start small and gradually increase your practices. Make it a family affair, encourage your family to learn and practice together. Find what inspires you. There are many resources available, from lectures and classes to books and websites. Finally, be patient and consistent. Building a strong foundation of faith is a lifelong journey. There will be times when you struggle, but don't give up. With Allah's help and your own dedication, you can cultivate a deep and meaningful connection to Islam. Thanks for listening. May Allah increase our knowledge and strengthen our faith.